dog did it?
Yep. What's that?
It started squirting out. Is it going to be like since it was just ran? So I put it back.
Yeah, I'd give it just a little while, and then I don't know. If it spills some out, then we'll just refill it. Spray with some brake clean and top it off.
I didn't even hear it back.
Yeah, so when I backed it out of the parking spot in there, it was working a little bit. You have to hit it just right. Let's see what we got going on. Yeah, and she blowed. We'll switch that out. That one's 24. Dude, there's 40 amp fuses in these ones that are standard. Take 25. We're gonna put the proper size ones in there. But so what I was doing